Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain trigonometry problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. If a plus b equal to pi by 4, then we have to find 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b. Okay, so what is given condition? So a plus b equal to pi by 4. So what is required? 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b. Okay, now taking tangent on both sides. So tan of a plus b equal to tan pi by 4. Tan 45 value 1. Okay. We have tan a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b equal to 1. So let us do cross product. It will going to be tan a plus tan b equal to 1 minus tan a into tan b. Okay. This minus tan a tan b bring the left side. Tan a plus tan b plus tan a into tan b equal to 1. Okay. So what is our target? 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b. Okay, what is our target? 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b. Okay. 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b. Okay. We should multiply these two terms. 1 multiply to 1 plus tan b, 1 plus tan b, plus tan a multiply to all, tan a into 1 tan a, plus tan a into tan b, tan a into tan b. Okay, it will going to be 1 plus tan b plus tan a plus tan a tan b value. We have got this value 1. Okay, this value 1 from equation 1. Okay, so what is the answer? So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Find the value of cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees. Okay, first we have to find cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees whole square value. Okay, so we should applying a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, where a place in right cos 9 and b place in right sin 9, a square cos square 9 plus b square sin square 9 minus 2ab, 2 cos 9 into sin 9. It will going to be cos square 9 plus sin square 9, it will be 1. Okay, this is trigonometry identity. Cos square theta plus sin square theta value 1. Okay, this value 1 minus 2 cos 9. We have 2 cos theta sin theta equal to sin 2 theta. So 2 cos 9 into sin 9, it will be sin 2 into 9. Okay, so 1 minus 2 into sin 18 degrees. 1 minus sin 18. We have sin 18 degrees value root 5 minus 1 by 4. Okay, now 1 minus root 5 minus 1 by 4, it will going to be, let us do LCM 4, 4 minus root 5 minus into minus plus 1, it will going to be 5 minus root 5 by 4. Okay, so what is this value? Cos 9 minus sin 9, cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees whole square equal to 5 minus root 5 by 4. Okay, now square root on both sides. Cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees, it will going to be root over 5 minus root 5 by, so root under 4 is 2. So what is the answer? Cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees equal to root under 5 minus root 5 by 2. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Find the value of 4 cos 36 degrees plus cot 7.5 degrees. Okay, we have cos 36 value root 5 plus 1 by 4. Now our target is cot 7.5 degrees. We have cot theta by 2 equal to 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Okay, so put theta equal to 15 degrees. So cot 15 by 2, this is nothing but, it is nothing but cot 7.5. Cot 15 by 2 equal to 1 plus cos 15 by sin 15. It will going to be 1 plus cos 15 value. We have cos 15 value. So root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So sin 15 value root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. So cos 15 place in, we should write root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 by sin 15 value root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So cot 15 by 2, 15 degrees by 2, it will going to be cot 7.5 degrees. It will going to be, so let us do LCM 2 root 2, 2 root 2 plus 2 into root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 by, okay, after LCM 2 root 2 get cancelled, so root 3 minus 1. Okay, let us do rationalization. So root 3 plus 1 divide and multiply, denominator rationalization. So it will going to be, so 2 root 2 into root 3, it will going to be 2 root 6, 2 root 2 into 1, 2 root 2, so root 3 into root 3, 3, root 3 into 1, root 3, plus 1 into root 3, plus 1 into 1, 1, by, so in denominator, in the form of a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, root 3 whole square minus 1 square. Okay, we have got this value, cot 7.5 degrees equal to 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2 plus 3 plus root 3 plus root 3 plus 1. By denominator value, 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 into root 6 plus 2 root 2. Root 3 plus root 3, it will be 2 root 3 plus 3 plus 1, 4 by, in denominator, 2. Okay, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So root 3 whole square minus 1 square, it will going to be 2. So 1, 2 get cancelled. So root 6 plus root 2 plus root 3 plus 2. So 1, 2 get cancelled. So what is this value? Cot 7.5 degrees. But our target is, so required cos 4 cos 36 plus 4 cot 36 degrees plus cot 7.5 degrees. 4 into cos 36 value, we have root 5 plus 1 by 4. Cot 7.5 degrees, we have got root 6 plus root 2 plus root 3 plus 2. 1, 4 get cancelled. It will going to be 1 plus root 5 plus root 6 plus root 2 plus root 3. This 2 can be written as root 4. Okay, it will going to be 1. 1 is nothing but root 1 plus root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4 plus root 5 plus root 6. So this is the answer. Okay, look at the next question. Find the value of sine 20 degrees into 4 plus secant 20 degrees. Okay. So sine 20 degrees, 4 plus secant 20 degrees, right? 1 by cos 20. Okay. So sine 20 into, so let us do LCM. What is the LCM? Cos 20 degrees. It will going to be 4 cos 20 degrees plus 1. Okay. So the sine 20 multiply to all. So 4 times of sine 20 cos 20. So sine 20 degrees into 1 is sine 20 degrees by cos 20. Okay. This 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So 2 sine 20 cos 20, it will going to be sine 2 theta formula. 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. So what is the formula? 2 sine theta cos theta. We have formula sine 2 theta. Okay. So 2 sine 20 cos 20, it will be sine 2 into 20 equal to 40 degrees. plus sin 20 by cos 20. Okay, it will going to be 2 sin 40. 2 sin 40 can be written as sin 40 plus sin 40 plus sin 20 by cos 20. Okay, we should applying sin C plus sin D formula. Okay, we have got this value, so we should applying sin C plus sin D. We have sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Okay, we should apply that formula. Sin 40 plus sin C plus sin D. It will going to be 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So where CD value is 40 and 20. 2 sin 40 plus 20 by 2 cos 40 minus 20 by 2 by cos 20 degrees. So it will going to be sin 40 degrees plus 2 sin 60 by 2, it will be 30 cos 40 minus 20 by 2 is 10 by cos 20 degrees. So sin 30 value 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, 2 get cancelled. So sin 40 degrees cos 10 degrees. Cos 10 equal to cos 90 minus 80. It will going to be sin 80. So cos 90 minus theta, we have sin theta. So cos 10 equal to sin 80 degrees by cos 20. Again, we should applying sin C plus sin D formula. 2 sin C plus D by 2. 40 plus 80 by 2 is 60. Cos 40 minus 80 by 2 is 20. Minus 20 degrees by cos 20. In this cos minus 20, cos 20 get cancelled. We have cos of minus theta equal to plus cos theta. So cos of minus 20 degrees equal to plus cos 20. One cos 20 get cancelled. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2. It will going to be 2 into root 3 by 2. Answer is 1, 2 get cancelled. Answer is root 3. Okay, moving to next question. Find the value of tan 20 degrees power 6 minus 33 tan 20 power 4 plus 27 tan 20 whole square. Okay, so let us take theta is equal to 20 degrees. In this common angle is 20 degrees. So let us theta equal to 20. Now multiply. Now we should multiply 3 on both sides. 3 theta equal 320 is 60 degrees. Okay, now we should applying tangent on both sides. So tan 3 theta equal to tan 60 degrees. So tan 60 value root 3. So we have sin tan 3 theta formula 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. It will going to be root 3. So by 1 by 1. So let us do cross product. Okay, so 3 tan 20, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta. It will going to be root 3 times of denominator, root 3 into 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Okay, what is the statement? Tan 20 power 6 given. So now squaring on both sides. It will going to be, okay. Now squaring on both sides. So by using a minus b whole square formula, a minus b whole square, we have formula a square plus b square minus 2ab, where a place in, we should write 3 tan theta whole square a square plus b square tan cube theta whole square a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 into 3 tan theta into tan cube theta equal to, so root 3 whole square is 3. 3 times of, again by using a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square. So where a value 1, b value 3 tan square theta. B square minus 2ab. Okay, 2, 3, 6 tan square theta. It will going to be 3 tan theta whole square Okay, 3 tan theta whole square is 9 tan square theta plus tan cube theta whole square tan power 6 theta. 2 3 is 6 tan theta into tan cube theta tan to the power 4 theta equal to this 3 multiplied to all 3 plus 27 tan to the power 4 theta minus 18 tan square theta. Okay, it will going to be first write tan to the power 6 theta. So 27 tan to the power 4 theta, bring the left side, already minus 6 tan to the power 4 theta, 27. So 6 plus 27 minus 6 minus 27 minus 33 tan to the power 4 theta. So 9 tan square theta. On right side minus 18 tan square theta, bring the left side. 9 plus 18, 27 tan square theta. It will going to be, what is answer? 3. This is a statement. So answer is 3. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming classes.